Lynette and this is my friend Mia Magic. She actually has a new show called Making Modern Magic that I have here listed on this channel. You gotta make sure to check it out. She is teaching me all the ways, you guys. I'm basically like a new witch realizing I'm back again, and I'm honestly going down a really cool journey, understanding. Tell them a little bit about what that even means.
So, the word witch originally comes from the word wise. That's all it means, is to use wisdom to connect with the earth, like herbs and plants and magic that is in alignment with air, which is our breath, our communication, our thoughts, with water, which is our emotions, our purification, fire, which is our transmutation and our like willpower and ambition, and the earth, which is our body and our grounded and our physical reality. So it's to be a witch is just to utilize that wisdom. And I have a new video on my channel called How to Be a Witch. You should check that out. You'll like it. And today we're just going to be doing one of my favorite ways of utilizing wisdom, which is potion making.
Ooh. Okay, we are actually on a road trip. You guys have kind of been following along. So we landed in Sedona, Arizona. This is my home state, Arizona. I love being here. It feels so good. But I will say it's very hot.
It's like sickening. We can't even go outside
really
after
hot.
10 a.m. It's horrible.
Yes. So I asked me, I was like, okay, let's do a potion. Create something, like a little cocktail, mocktail, something refreshing.
Yeah, because I don't drink alcohol, so I love to make drinks that taste really good and feel really good and are really good for you, because alcohol is not good for you. That's why it tastes like poison and why you feel like shit the next day. Let's be clear.
It's called spirits for a reason. Your spirits do come out.
Sometimes the dark ones. That's the case for me. Anyway, so I love to make cocktails without alcohol that feel really good, and so we're going to be adding
really good for you.
We're going to be adding a couple of great ingredients to this special little spritzy drink today.
Yeah,
to keep you cool in the summer and very refreshed. It's also really good for your skin and your digestion.
This is great for out by the pool. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so what do we do first?
Okay, so we have a juicer here, but even if you don't have a juicer, it's fine. What we're going to do is juice a grapefruit and a lemon. And so grapefruit is like restoring the power. That's like all red fruits are like for power, but also connected to our roots. All citrus fruits, great, you're a skincare gal, great for your skin because vitamin C is vital in producing collagen. So vitamin C, super great for your skin. So lots of good things in these citrus fruits. Then we're gonna put some mint in there, which is great for digestion, and it's super refreshing, obviously smells really good. What I love about mint is even the scent is very like crisp and clear. So mint is all about clarity, both in our psychic abilities and also in our communication. Mint tea would be like used to have strong words and clarity of communication.
Love it.
So this is clarity, this is power and skin. Lemon is a detoxifier, so it's great for your digestion and your intestinal tract. And also, of course, you know, like with honey, lemon is great for like colds, sore throats, any type of congestion.
Great.
Then cucumber, best thing to use in the summer. Cucumber is one of the most cooling fruits or plants. Also reduce swelling and toxins, and they're great for like soothing your teeth and gums.
Great.
It's 98% water, but it also has most of the vitamins that you would need in any day.
Oh, great.
So cucumbers are brilliant. Then we're gonna use some Sedona sparkling water, and if you don't use this for everything, you doing something wrong, because this is like a magic potion in itself. So Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother, and that is just like good for everything. I have cured strep throat with this. I mean, whenever I feel start to feel sick in any kind of way, this is my go-to.
These two together with a little cayenne and some ginger. I keep this bottle and I make an entire thing of this. Juice the ginger, take a shot every day, and I usually it's rare that I get sick.
Brilliant. First, you turn the juicer on.
Step one.
For any of this, but you can juice the grapefruit and the lemon as well as the mint and the cucumber. If you don't have a juicer, you just cut the cucumber up and you can mash it or use a mortar and pestle, and the same goes with the mint. Gotta make sure and get all the good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Okay, we have the base to our tonic. We just put a little bit of this, less than a tablespoon, depending on what your flavor preference is. Then you add your sparkling water.
My fave. Love me some sparkling water. You'll always find that in my refrigerator.
So once you've got all your ingredients blended together, you just pour over ice. Keep in mind, if you want this to be just lemon without the grapefruit, even though grapefruit's the power of fruit, if you want it to be just lemon, the color will be different. So if you're like hosting a party and you really want to like have a super cute green cocktail, something that's nicely colored, then you can leave the grapefruit out so that the pink doesn't shift the color. And top it off with your sparkling water.
Yum.
And I like to use a secret ingredient, which is a little bit of stevia, because I have a sweet tooth.
Natural sugar, and then we can top it off with a little garnish.
That's right, girl. You already know. You're 2 steps ahead of me. Or 1. Enough.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I like to just stick the little sprig in all on its own. So it's like something perfectly like this.
There you go.
And you can just stir that stevia in and then boop, leave them in right there. Boop.
Awesome.
Gorgeous summer. I mean, look at that gradient. That's lovely.
It's like a little rainbow.
It's kind of like Sedona.
Cheers. Are you ready?
Cheers.
Ooh. With the mint.
Mm-hmm.
So good. It's like, this is actually like, it really does taste like a cocktail. And I don't drink a lot of alcohol at all. Well, especially liquor. Maybe a little wine, but this is, I'm not missing anything.
So beautiful. It has a little foamy top. Hope this inspires you guys to make some beautiful little healthy, refreshing cocktails for yourself this summer. And we will see you on the road.
Yes, love you guys. We'll see you soon. Cheers.